Hey guys, it's me, Camille, and here's Regan playing White Noise Online on his own. Nightmare.
He ain't round that corner. Why the fuck can't I get through? Seriously, don't make your dog back. Seriously, it's fucking scared the life out of me the first time. How close do you want to get? Fucking hell, who the fuck's... What the fuck was that? Fuck. Hands are sweating like fuck. Don't you even dare.
I need to get some light because it's so dark. I can't even see your face. Where's your...
Good. Do you know where's my phone? My phone's here. My phone's on. Yeah, no, turn the brightness up. So
Yeah.
I'm waiting for you to. It's horrible on your TV because there's no HD on it. Turn tap 2 off, please. Fuck.
Oh, I'm still recording.
Fucking hell, it's so scary. It's so horrible. You can't blind me with it. Fuck, if you go on this corner, I'm gonna fucking launch your controller at you. Hey, how bright do you bloody want it? You're gonna blind me? Bloody hell. You're trying to blind me? Dim it down. Dude, fuck. I haven't seen him yet, this is fucking weird. Please don't be on this corner, please don't be on this corner. Ah, bloody hell! How bright. Fuck, if he's on this corner, this control's getting flung at you no matter what happens. Fuck, he ain't there. You're so stiff, isn't it? Can you not change the settings on this to make it go faster?
No.
Why? Where's he at? I don't... It's so bright. It's so bright. It's too bright.
How about now?
It's alright now. This is fucking boring. He's not even here yet. Fucking dead.
Check behind you.
I'm not checking behind me. Fuck, he's round this corner. He's round it. He's round it. Oh. Fuck off, silent kid, you twat. Paying online, you bellend. I don't care about you. If he's on this corner, fuck me.
Ah!
Fuck off, you can't do that. Fuck off, you can't do that. Shitting. Fucking shitting myself. Fuck off, you bellend. Go and haunt someone else.
I'm just waiting for it.
It is actually worse without HDMI in it. He's not there.
Where is he?
I've not seen him yet. What the fuck's that whispering noise?
Dead girl.
Whoa, fuck me, what the fuck was that? Whoa, shit, I just walked into the wall. My hands are sweating like fucking Michael's hair. Whoa, what the fuck? A black thing keeps appearing in front of me. Where? I actually don't know where he is. I've not seen him yet. This is just too fucking nerve-wracking.
I want to put those on YouTube.
I'm not enjoying this. I'm not enjoying this.
Here we'll end part 1. Come back for part 2.